Amanda! Amanda! Please get my bag. I'm late for Umwad meeting.
Oh, Mom, stop me. Please, I'm tired. Please, leave me alone.
Oh, Amanda, you are shouting me like that. You are answering me like that. Oh, Mo. It's dirty everywhere. Oh, Mo, you are not cleaning? What you are doing? You are not married. You don't give me a grandchild. What you are doing, I'm feeding you. I give you everything. I put you in school. What are you doing, Ummo? Now you don't have a man. You don't bring a man. You are not married. You don't give me a grandchild. Now I'm 70 years old. I need a grandchild, Ummo. Where? Amanda, I am going out now for Umwada meeting. And I want, when I came back, you will bring man, you will show me your man, and you will get married a man. And if you are not finding man, you can leave my house, and I don't want to feed you anymore. Do you understand? I will not feed you. I am tired. I am tired to feed you. If you will not show me your man, you can leave my house.
Yes,
pack your things, everything, pack your things and go.
Okay.
I don't want to see you anymore. Amanda,
Yes,
where is your man?
how can I get man? You left under just 3 hours. How is that possible for me to get a man? Just for 3 hours. 3 hours. It's not possible now.
Ummo, Amanda, Ummo! I tell you to find a man. I will show you a Nigerian woman. I am Nigerian woman. I carry you for 9 months in my belly, and now you are giving me that problem. I told you find a man, get married, and you will give me a grandchild. Last day, my friend, Ummo, my friend, daughter get married, and now she's pregnant. How about you? You don't give me, where's your man? Now you are ready to